Here's a quick guide to help you write content for the Energy Rating website. Writing for the web is a very different exercise to writing for print. When writing web content, it is important to understand how users look for content and what they want to see when they find it. We know that users read 25% slower than reading from paper. They tend not to read each word on a web page, they scan. And they only read about 20% of the words on the page. So how do you write effective web content for everyone? Write to a lower secondary education level. Microsoft Word has readability tests that you can use. To achieve this, use clear, simple language. Write short sentences, maximum of 25 words long. Use active voice rather than passive. For example, not "a study was undertaken," but "we undertook a study." If you need to include technical or complicated text, consider providing summaries for different sections and mark clearly those summaries written to an easier reading level. Replace complex words with commonly used words. Finally, consider using examples and graphics to convey complex concepts. The next step is to identify who needs your information and how they'll use it. In our case, we're writing for industry and consumers, and sometimes both. When writing, think about who you're writing for and help them answer their questions or complete their tasks. Include only the information that they want. Address the user as you and name who the content is aimed at. The next step is to plan your content structure. We've already started this through the wireframe process. Arrange your content like a pyramid, with the must-have at the top, additional and helpful content next, and the nice-to-have at the end. The next thing to think about is writing less. Users scan the content on the web and get frustrated with wordy content that doesn't give them the answers they need. This isn't easy, but try to halve the word count of conventional writing. Cover only one topic per paragraph and only include what your audience would want or need to know. Large blocks of text are hard to read, so use headings to indicate subtopics, write short paragraphs, and use lists where possible. Avoid repetition, link to content that's available elsewhere, and leave out introductions and background information where possible. Use plain English to help international readers using translation tools. Finally, avoid using abbreviations where we can. Instead of E3, try the program or the committee. Now let's talk about different types of content. Firstly, page titles. A unique descriptive page title will help make the content findable by search engines. Descriptive headings help users find and navigate the page. Page summaries help users find what's on the page. And subheadings give the page structure. Well-designed tables make complex data accessible. Well-described links help users understand their purpose. And lists help them understand more information. Above all, make sure the purpose of the content is clear. The final element to discuss are images, which help the users understand what the content is about. Use images that are easy for all readers to understand. Write alternative text for users who are vision impaired using accessibility tools. Write descriptive but concise captions. And if you need, you can write longer descriptions to help users understand more complex images. Well, there you have it. Easy, right? If you do get stuck or want more information, come and see the engagement team. That's what we're here for. We're excited that with your help, we're going to make the website even better.